Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? SM plus all. Small. Chain plus J. Change. Small change. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene, and hi, everyone, and welcome to the start of what will be a short week for us, an exciting week, of course, because Thanksgiving is just around the corner. I hope you were watching last week in our Tournament of Champions where we had such super players. It was a very, very exciting 5 days for us, and we're looking for a great match today because we have two veterans coming back. The young man on my right is Dean Webb. Welcome back, Dean. You ready to do it?
Yeah. Come away empty so far.
You've come away empty. You've won a game, but unfortunately there were no prizes up in your column at the time. But this lady has won a game and some prizes. Diana Karazizis.
Thank you.
Welcome, Diana.
Thank you.
Married to a Greek.
Yes.
Any children?
Three.
Three? What are the names?
Cassandra, Christopher, and Nicholas.
What age range?
20 to 11.
Really? You have a 20-year-old?
Yeah.
It's your own child?
Oh, yeah, 21 years married.
Wow, congratulations
Thank
on
you.
that score. That's really good going.
Thank you.
Oh, look, the bubble machine is working. Let's find out what it means.
Decors, his and her scuba gear to explore the underwater world, includes specially sized aluminum tanks, adjustable regulators, sea chute buoyancy compensators, masts, and fins. Just be sure you receive proper instruction before you begin. Alex.
And proper instruction, ladies and gentlemen, consists of learning to put the mouthpiece in your mouth when you're swimming underwater. It does you no good. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Let's show Diana and Dean where the scuba gear can be found. At number 5. All right, Dean has lost a game, and he gets to pick first today, and perhaps he will make a match on a holiday in Puerto Rico.
Oh, be nice.
Go for it.
Okay, well, let me see if I can find the match of that trip right off the bat at under number 17.
Green take.
Oh, yeah. I need those the way my luck's been going with this. How about the match for the take under number 15?
Microwave and bread maker. Diana.
Okay, let's look for that trip. Under number 8, please.
Wild card.
Okay, you know what? I want the scuba gear because my husband wants to take scuba lessons. Number 5, please.
All righty. Good for you. Picking up something for the hubby. The scuba gear is at number 5 and also at number 23. And so 3 doors open up as we start this game.
No.
Make another selection then,
Okay,
Diana.
number 11, please.
Oak wine rack.
And let's try to open up under number 24.
Telephone and answering machine unit. No match there. Dean.
Trip's still out there, and I want the trip, and I'll look under number 1.
Telephone and answering machine unit.
And I just saw that, and my mind's just wandering. The match for that under number 20?
No, but that's a wild card. You were lucky, but you were in the neighborhood. You were close. The natural would have occurred at number 24. And so 3 more panels will open up.
Not yet.
Go again.
Let's see if the trip's under number 11.
Oak wine rack.
I just saw that.
Yep.
And match for that, or a wild card under number 3.
Diamond and topaz earrings. No match. Diana, your turn. There's still one wild card up there.
Oh, all right. 21, please.
That's not it. That's the
Oh,
diamond
number
and topaz earrings. And you're making the match immediately. That was an easy one for you. What happens now? We'll open the doors. Can you solve it? Pick again, then.
15, please.
Microwave
Oh, yeah,
bread
we
maker?
saw that already. Let's try and look and see if we can find the match under 18.
Red take. Dean.
Let's see if we can find the trip or the wild card under number 7.
Bridge, table, and chairs.
How about the match for that under number 4?
Puerto Rican Paradise Holiday. Diana?
Number 2, please.
Hardwood flooring.
Oh, I could use that. 19.
Wild card. Don't you just love it when a player gets excited over something that
Like
doesn't
hardwood
usually
flooring.
produce that kind of reaction? Hardwood flooring. The other one is at number 12.
terrazzo.
You hate terrazzo? Do you
Yes.
hate carpeting?
No, I like carpeting, but I like hardwood
Hardwood
better.
flooring. Well, this is a lovely prize for you then. Let's
Okay.
see if you can win it. Again,
14, please.
bridge table and,
And 7.
chairs. And 7, she says. Right. As we get further along, of course, the matches come easier because there are fewer pieces left in play covering the puzzle. We'll open these two right now.
Is it Easter rabbit?
Is it Easter hay rabbit? No, it is not.
All right. Oh, boy, this is so hard. 25, please.
Motorcycle.
Oh. 22?
Red tape. No match. Dean.
Was the red take under number 13?
No,
Green
that's the
tape.
green.
How about a match for that under number 16?
Microwave and bread maker. No match for you, but I bet you we've got one for Diana.
Could I see number 15, please?
That's the microwave and the bread
And
maker.
16, please.
Correct. Diana, take a look at this expanded puzzle.
Oh, nothing more. Number 18, please.
Red tape.
And 13.
Oh, you made the same mistake Dean made a little
Yeah.
while ago, mixing up the takes.
It's under number 17
17.
and
Green.
number 13.
There's the green tape. Now, we have up here a lot of good prizes, including
The scuba gear.
scuba gear.
I'll take scuba gear.
Are you a scuba diver now?
No, I'm going to start, though.
All right. It's a great sport. 2 doors opening up for Dean. He has to win this game because he's got a strike against him.
Is it Easter Island?
Easter Island. And he is correct. Diana set it up for him. I'm sure she pointed you in the right direction. You were clueless until she did it. Well, that's okay. She'll play again.
I thought this was a vein, but it was pointing east. East plus the crying a tear, Easter in the eye, and I guess the helicopter's going to land, so it's Easter Island.
All right. Way to go. Diana, you did a lot of work in that, so you got some good training. You've only got the 1 strike against you, and you'll play in game number 2 in a little bit. We'll see you then. Dean, you've got the scuba gear. You're going to get to enjoy a whole new world, the undersea world of Jacques Cousteau. And you get another trip to the winner's circle to see if you can win a brand new car after this. Dean has won 2 games, but no prizes. Well, you got
I got a couple that time.
You've got the scuba gear. That's good. That's a fascinating sport, believe me. Now you get another opportunity to win one of these cars. And as you can see, we've got some beauties with us today. New cars on the shelves. 15 numbered squares for Dean Webb. 40 seconds on the clock for him. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
3, 6,
No.
6, 1,
Right.
7, 4,
No.
3, 7,
Right.
8, 9,
No.
10, 4,
No. Yep.
11, 12,
No.
13, 5,
No.
14, 13,
Yes.
15, 9,
No.
12, 8,
No.
11.
Is that a terrible sounding buzzer?
No, I hate
Those
it.
weird horns. All right, he's got the scuba gear and $2,365 in prizes is what he's won. And he gets to play again when we return. Coming up now, ladies and gentlemen, a very important game because, as you can see, each of our contestants has 1 strike. And we have some great prizes as well. Take a look over here and we'll show you one of them.
The Apple IIe personal computer for business, learning, or fun with built-in keyboard, disk drive, and standard 128K memory. Alex.
And we will show Dean and Diana where they will find that prize on the board at number 7. There will just be the 1 wild card in this game, players, but we have a holiday in a sophisticated city, San Francisco. We have $600 in the cash pot, and we have the 5 bonus car seconds. All right, and Diana, you go first.
Okay, stress is on. 13, please.
San Francisco excursion.
Okay, let's look for a wild card under number 11.
Satin bedding. No match, Dean.
Let's see if that trip is under number 19.
Cash pot.
Cash pot. I could use that. How about the match under number 10?
Sapphire and diamond pendant. No match. Diana.
All right, let's go up to the corner number 1, please.
5 bonus car seconds. We're unveiling all of the good prizes.
23?
Crystal table lamps. No match.
Oh,
Dean.
dear.
I want those bonus card seconds. I need all the time I can get. How about number 18?
Chocolates.
Let's see if I can find the match for that under number 2.
Chocolates. Naturally done. Natural chocolates. I can taste them already. Open it up, please.
Too soon.
Pick again.
Let's see if the trip or the bonus car seconds are under number 3.
Computer.
And the match for that under number 7.
Computer, yes. I thought you might forget. Lucky number 7 paid off for Dean Webb. And now, let's see if these 2 pieces of the puzzle pay off for him.
Nothing.
Pick again.
Let's see. The trip or the bonus cards under number 5, up in the corner.
Satin bedding.
See if the match for that is under number 19.
No, I don't think so.
No,
That's the cash pot. Diana may recall
Yes,
the
I'd
satin
like
bedding.
number 11 and number 5, please.
11 and 5. She did recall the satin bedding.
That's what I saw the S and I thought it was San Francisco, but it
I
wasn't.
keep wanting to say satin doll, thinking of that great musical classic. But no, it's satin bedding. Open it up for Diana. Let her take a look at this.
In due time?
Is it in due time? No, it is not. Diana, go again.
Thanks, guys. 22, please. And number 13 for the match.
Whoa, she came up quickly on that one. You didn't see it at home, ladies and gentlemen, but as soon as that San Francisco excursion was revealed at number 22, Diana came right out of her chair. She said, oh, I know where the match is. I know where the match is. It's at 13,
Now if I just
and
knew
she
the
did.
puzzle.
What?
Now if I could just get the puzzle.
Well, that's the whole idea of this, isn't it?
I know.
Somebody in the audience just said, concentrate, as if she needs to get that kind of advice.
I'm trying to.
Okay, I'll concentrate now.
I'll concentrate now.
Open it up for Diana.
Not yet.
All right, go again.
Let's open up number 14, because I don't know what's under there.
Red take.
Maybe the wild card could be under number 10.
Could it? No, sapphire and diamond pendant, so we go over to Dean Webb.
Okay, let's see what's under number 23.
Crystal table lamps.
And see if the match for that's under number 1.
5 bonus car seconds, though the match was not
All right,
there.
let's play around in that corner still. Let's try number 15, please.
Wild card.
All right.
The only wild card. What are you going to pair it with?
I want number 1.
You want the bonus car seconds? All right. The other bonus car seconds are in the lower left-hand corner. So 3 panels opening up for you, Diana.
In due course?
You know something? You were on that track earlier, and I wondered why the last time out you couldn't say in due course. I have a feeling that's the correct solution. Let's take a look. In due course. Yes. The lady is good. Come on, Diana. Yeah, you had another opportunity, but you didn't offer a solution. So you go to the board and you explain it.
Okay. I saw the in here, and the do drop, and then I thought there'd be an S over here, but it turned out there were 2 cores for course.
You love this game, don't you?
I love it.
All right, Dean, gosh, 2 strikes against you.
Good luck.
So we've got to say goodbye. You've got the phone and answering machine unit, and you've got the scuba gear, over $2,300 in prizes.
Good.
Congratulations to you. Nice having you with us.
Take care.
All right, Diana. Well, let's hear about your prizes this time. Gene.
Satin bedding, Whisper Soft Mills luxurious super satin bedding woven of 270 thread count, designed for comfort and elegance, furnished by Whisper Soft Mills, and a San Francisco excursion. We'll fly you and a guest from Los Angeles to San Francisco, where you'll spend 7 exciting days in a newly restored deluxe accommodation for 2, close to the glitter of the city by the bay, furnished by the San Franciscan Hotel, and the 5 bonus car seconds.
Thank you, Gene. Now, ordinarily, ladies and gentlemen, in this kind of a situation, Diana would be standing here, smiling broadly, very happy and very excited because she's going to play the bonus round with those 5 bonus car seconds. Unfortunately, when Diana and I walked over to the winner's circle here, we noticed that there is a definite wet spot on our lawn. And as we look at the other corner of the studio, we see in Marjorie's arms Pokey. I think during this commercial break, we will have a chat with young Pokey to find out. Here's the wet spot right here. It's a dark green. You see the darkness and the shininess? If Pokey did that to our winner's circle, we are going to lose a cast member on Classic Concentration.
Uh-oh.
We'll be back after this.
It looks awful big. I don't think Pokey does big.
And Diana and I are not worried about the spot because it will dry. All right, you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, good luck. Here we go. 15 numbered squares, 40 seconds on the clock, and are you all set?
Yes, I am.
Okay. She gets 5 bonus seconds, doesn't she? Yeah, I thought we were
going
to do that.
So.
Yeah, we don't want to shortchange you.
Okay.
45 seconds for you, Diane.
Okay.
Off you go.
1, 3,
No,
4, 6,
no,
3, 7,
no.
1, 6,
Right.
9, 5,
Yes.
8, 2,
No,
11, 4,
no.
7, 11,
Right.
10, 3, no, 2, no, 14,
Yes.
4, 10,
Yes.
13, 12,
No,
8, 3,
no.
13, 3,
Right.
12, 15.
Yes! You did it the hard way, but you did it, Diana. And you're getting a lot of support here. Let's hear about the car. Gene, tell us.
Diana, you just won this Volkswagen Fox GL 4-door. Features a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder fuel-injected engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and air conditioning. Furnished by Volkswagen, a prize worth over $9,900.
We're going away with over $17,000 in prizes, Diana. Who are the young ones?
This is Nick and this is Chris.
Nick and Chris. Hi, fellas. She did well, didn't she? Yeah. She is terrific. We're going to take a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive Nishika's revolutionary new 35mm 3-dimensional camera. Uses standard color film, requires no focusing or special viewers, and takes pictures that come to life. Furnished by Nishika Corporation. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Here's today.
What a day. Diana wins and Pokey is innocent. See you tomorrow.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.